911 Targa 4 GTS in the very desirable colour Arctic Grey. But then it's only covered 6,400 miles. It's got the GTS Interior Package. It's got a Porsche approved warranty till April 2028. And it's a Targa. What a car. It's priced at £117,990, 480 brake horsepower, four-wheel drive, usable. The colour's tremendous. It's got full Porsche service history, front end PPF, and it's a GTS. What a car. Colour, very, very desirable. Specification, lovely spec, sports chrono, sports exhaust, surround camera, power steering plus. But people love this colour, great colour. GTS wheels, so you get 20-inch on the front, 21-inch on the back. They're finished in matte black, red calipers. Then you've got that Targa roof, which is tinted at the rear. The roll cover is all in satin black as well. And then when we move into the rear, with it being a GTS, you've got that diffuser with a sports exhaust, and it just looks wonderful there, doesn't it? GTS Interior Package makes a big difference, about a £4,000 option, which it's got, which I will show you. So you've got lots of Alcantara, lots of upgrades to the interior as well. 18-way adaptive seats, which are heated. And then you can see you've got this contrast stitching in the Carmine red. You've got Alcantara on the steering wheel, which is also heated. Carmine red rev counter to the stitching to the seat belts. And then if I climb in, you've got carbon across here. And let's start it up. It's also got a tracker with the car. And I just think with the car having only 6,400 miles on from new, and it's got that Porsche warranty till April 2028, it makes such a difference. You've got surround camera there as well, which is another extra. You don't get that as standard. Your heated seats. If I turn this, you've then got your sports exhaust, you've got your sports chrono. Great car to drive, 480 brake horsepower, four-wheel drive. You've got the noise, you've got the performance, but then you've got this Targa roof, which is just absolutely sensational. That's why people buy it. Watch how this roof works. 117,990, price to sell, Arctic Grey, what a colour, and then you've got that roof to go with it. And the Targas are popular because not everybody wants a full convertible, and it's in between. So you're tucked away in the back. If you've got people in the back, they're tucked away. Great car, going live on all our platforms. If you want to call me and get it reserved, my name and number's on the screen. Thank you for watching.